After weeks of overturned executive orders, protests, and questions about Russia, the Trump administration could be heading for one of its first big wins. And with a Gallup daily tracking poll showing his approval rating at 37%, the president may need it. The Senate Judiciary Committee began its hearings Monday for Judge Neil Gorsuch to become an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. It's been just over a year since then-President Obama nominated his pick for the seat, Merrick Garland. CBS News chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford has more on Monday's hearings.
Well, Elaine, Judge Gorsuch really started making his case to the Senate Judiciary Committee about why they should confirm him to replace the late Justice Antonin Scalia. He gave a 16-minute, really personal statement. He talked about his family, his Colorado roots. He thanked his wife. He gave her a hug and said, "I love you," in what was kind of an emotional moment. And then he talked about how he would respect the rule of law and that courts have to not be legislatures, that he would not be, bound by any politics or an agenda. Now, his statement came after he sat and listened to every member of this committee give their remarks. And Democrats, I think, really laid out what's going to be a line of attack that you're going to hear starting on Tuesday when they start their questions. They focused on workers' rights, whether he was in the pocket of big business, traditional progressive issues like women's rights, civil liberties, voting rights, and of course, whether or not he was going to be independent. The fact that President Trump nominated him is also something I think that you're going to hear a lot about starting on Tuesday for what will be 2 days of questions. Elaine?